Dividing 4-digit number by 1-digit number with remainder. In division, we have to remember the following steps. First is divide, next is multiply, and then subtract, and then bring down the next digit in the dividend, and then repeat steps 1 to 3 or 4 depending on the number of digits and the dividend. For example, we have 1172 divided by 5. 1172 is our dividend and 5 is our divisor. Put 5 outside the division bar and 1172 inside the division bar. And we're going to use the multiples of 5 as our reference. 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on and so forth. There is only one digit in the divisor, so we're going to divide the first digit and the highest place value. 1 divided by 5 will not give a whole number since 5 is not contained in 1. So we're going to consider the next digit 1. Divide 11 by 5. How many 5s are there in 11? Refer to the multiples of 5. There are 2 5s in 11. 11 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Write 2 above 1. Then multiply. Multiply 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Place 10 under 11 and then subtract 10 from 11. 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. Then next is bring down. Bring down 7. Then repeat the steps 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. Divide 17 by 5. How many 5s are there in 17? Refer to the multiples of 5. There are 3 5s in 17. 17 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Write 3 on the top of 7. Then next is we're going to multiply. Multiply 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Place 15 under 17. And then next is we're going to subtract. Subtract 15 from 17. 17 minus 15 is equal to 2. Write 2 under the 5. And then next is we're going to bring down. Bring down the next digit on the dividend, 2. So we have 22. Divide 22 by 5. How many 5s are there in 22? Refer to the multiples of 5 again. There are 4 5s in 22. 22 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Write 4 on the top of 2. And then we're going to multiply. Multiply 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Write 20 under 22. Then we're going to subtract 20 from 22. 22 minus 20 is equal to 2. So we have a remainder 2. Our quotient is 234, remainder 2.